Welcome to your physical life. Even though you don't remember it, before you came here, you had specific intentions for what you wanted to experience in this life. Some of you wanted to taste the true love. Some of you wanted to feel true freedom. Some of you wanted a simple life, or else the little things that matter. You chose the perfect family and the perfect initial experience for these intentions you set for this life. You knew all the potential that would come from choosing those parents, that neighborhood, that culture, that place and time. When you saw that perfect potential, you took it because you knew it would be the exact conditions necessary for your own necessary expansion. And there is no difference between your personal expansion and the universe's expansion. When you expand, the universe expands. When you learn, the universe learns. Everybody's perspective held by any being is adding to the expansion source of consciousness. It doesn't matter whether that perspective is coming from a bird, a dog, a plant, a neighbor, a friend, an enemy. It is all adding to this universal pictures which is source, trying to see itself. Universal consciousness, which your soul is part of, designed by reality as a kind of computer program. This program adheres to certain rules like gravity, the speed of light, the sound. But the ultimate rule of this universe is called the law of mirroring. This rule means that life on Earth is experienced like a mirror hologram, where everything that is within you reflects in your external life. This means you can manifest anything you like, whether it's a car, money, lover, a state of health, a state of peace, by first experiencing it in your internal world, in your thoughts, in your emotions. This knowledge about the way that the universe really works is the key to living the life that you've always wanted. The truth is, you're not powerless. If you're afraid of someone leaving you, find the aspect that is leaving people within you. If you're afraid of being manipulated by other people, find the part of you that manipulates other people. If you're afraid of terrorism, find the terrorist in you. Your compassionate attention will allow a transformation to take place. The very transformation that we have been within for some truth. This will be an end to loss, an end to manipulation. This will be an end to terrorism. This will be an end to suffering on this earth. This will be the time that you've accepted the parts of you that you have denied for years. I hope that this message was able to remind you that you are already what we already knew, but simply have forgotten. Now that you have some instructions for this life, you can tell other people, and together we can enjoy the ride.